In one sentence, tell me what is ChatGPT?
ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT-3.5 architecture, capable of generating human-like responses to a wide range of prompts and questions.
So you just saw ChatGPT audio version. Now I can ask questions to ChatGPT and it can answer it, everything in audio format. You don't need to type and then go read every sentence from there. Now this feature is not released by OpenAI or ChatGPT. This is a plugin I'm using, Talk-to-ChatGPT. There are many such plugins. Talk-to-ChatGPT is one of my favorite. I like it. It has a lot of controls. But there are a lot more plugins as well. So you can see here, there are a bunch of them listed. Another one that I like is voice control for ChatGPT. That is also a good one. But among the two, I prefer Talk-to-ChatGPT. There are a few more: voice control for ChatGPT, speak to ChatGPT, voice wave. You have ChatGPT Voice Master, Web ChatGPT, OpenAI Translator, and many, many more. But I still, at the end of the day, prefer Talk-to-ChatGPT. One of the things that I like about it is the languages, the voice it can use. Right now, I've set it for Google US English. There's a default Alexa, and then many languages you can pick from here, and you can start conversation with ChatGPT in the language that you want. Let's try a different language. Speak Spanish. Here they have a control where when you turn it off, whatever we speak, it does not start asking that to ChatGPT, but rather only ask when the mic is turned on. ¿Qué pasó?
Lo siento. No entiendo a qué se refiere con ¿qué pasó? ¿Podría proporcionar más contexto o hacer una pregunta específica? Estoy aquí para ayudarlo en lo que pueda.
As you saw, it can speak Spanish and all the different languages that we are just seeing here. You can also use this setting where you have the speech recognition language, a lot of things, and there are other controls as well, which are pretty interesting. And I do like the flexibility of these controls. Also, if the answer is too long and you think, no, this is not what you really wanted to hear, then there are different controls here as well. And tell me 2 things as a tourist that I should do in San Francisco.
As a tourist visiting San Francisco, here are 2 things you could consider doing. Walk across the Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most famous landmarks in San Francisco.
What can I do in New York? Tell me in 1 sentence.
One thing you can do in New York is to visit the iconic Statue of Liberty on Liberty Island.
So 2 things here I want to point out. One is this is the default audio of Talk-to-ChatGPT. I definitely prefer the Google US voice. It sounds less machine voice than this default voice. And the other part is you can use this button up here with 2 arrows. When you are asking some question, it's answering, and you feel like you got the point there and you don't need information, or you want to follow up with a new prompt, you just press this button, it'll stop answering, and then you'll be ready for the next question. Here is the other voice control for ChatGPT. So voice control for ChatGPT is the other plugin that I wanted to show here. This has its own toolbox here. It does come with settings of what kind of voice you want and so on. Where is London?
London is the capital city of England, located in the southeastern part of the United States.
So we just heard both the plugins answering. With this voice control plugin that we have here, there are a couple of gestures required. You have to activate the mic and then speak for ChatGPT's response. Then you have to hit the enter.
I'm sorry, as an AI language model, I don't have the capability to activate a physical microphone. However, I'm always ready to respond to your queries in a text-based format. Is there anything else you would like me to help you with?
These are two plugins. Definitely, I like Talk-to-ChatGPT. Just has a lot more flexibility. It also helps me with the different choices, both language as well as what kind of input it is going to accept and so on. So there's a little bit more granularity there, but this definitely helps. So we just saw a bunch of different plugins that are there to get the audio from ChatGPT. You can ask questions to ChatGPT and the different controls that Talk to ChatGPT has, and a lot more granularity that it offers in terms of controls just makes it very useful to use, and I just love using this voice capability. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such tips. Thank you.